Hello, everyone. Happy Falcon Friday. Thank you so much for tuning into our afternoon assembly. Today is Friday, October 16th already. Thank you so much again for joining us. Hola, buenas tardes. Muchísimas gracias por estar aquí con nosotros. Hoy es el 16 de octubre y ya vamos a comenzar con nuestra presentación. We want to remind everyone that we are Falcons and that Falcons soar. This means that we show respect, we own our actions, act safely, and rise to the challenge. And we do this all the time, Falcons. It doesn't matter where we are, if we're at school, if we're at home, if we're out in the community. We are Falcons and we always soar high. Un recordatorio que somos falcones y falcones soar. So, hacer eso, mostramos respeto, somos dueños de nuestras acciones, actuamos de forma segura y estamos a la altura de desafío. Happy birthday to everyone that celebrated a birthday this week. Feliz cumpleaños a todos que celebraron un cumpleaños esta semana. Announcements. As always, we want to start by thanking you, families, staff, for your positive attitudes, your flexibility, your support, and your dedication to your child's learning. We are definitely stronger together, and thank you so much for being such a great community. Como todos los tiempos, queremos empezar dando gracias a las familias y a las maestras por todas sus actitudes positivas, su flexibilidad, su apoyo, su dedicación. Somos más fuertes juntos. Please make sure that you are staying informed. You can do this by following us on Twitter and Facebook, also by downloading the McAllen ISD app onto your phone, and also by checking the McAllen ISD and Field Elementary websites. Por favor, manténganse informados. Síguenos en Twitter y Facebook. Ganan la aplicación de McAllen ISD en su teléfono y consulten los sitios web de McAllen ISD y también de nosotros de Fields Elementary. Return to school. Again, please continue to monitor Twitter, Facebook, also Class Dojo for information on our return to school procedures. We have been posting several videos and various forms of information on Class Dojo, Twitter, and Facebook. Please take some time to make sure that you are watching those videos, reading those announcements, especially if you have students who will be returning to face-to-face and combination instruction. Por favor, continúe monitorando a Class Dojo, a Twitter y Facebook para obtener información sobre nuestros procedimientos de regreso a la escuela. Es muy importante que están al tanto de mirar los videos y la información que estamos poniendo en Class Dojo, Twitter y Facebook, porque tiene mucha información de regreso a la escuela. Más si van a regresar a la escuela cara a cara o combinación, es muy importante que están informándose eso. Por favor, si tienen chance o si tienen tiempo, por favor que están monitorando eso. Return to school, friendly reminder of the revised return to school dates. And again, this is for students that are face-to-face and combination. If you are remote learning, you will continue your remote learning. So revised return to school dates are November 9th for pre-K, kinder, first and second grades, and November 16th for third, fourth, and fifth grades. Las fechas revisadas de regreso a la escuela, 9 de noviembre para pre-kinder, kinder y primero y segundo, y el 16 de noviembre para tercero, cuarto y quinto grados. Si están haciendo la instrucción remoto, se queden así. Estas fechas no impactan esta instrucción, pero si van a venir o regresar cara a cara o combinación, estas fechas son muy importantes.
October is National Principals Month. I want to take this time to thank Ms. Chedla and Ms. Ramirez for their outstanding leadership. They love our teachers, students, and staff. Thank you both for everything you do. Octubre es el mes nacional de los directores. Quiero aprovechar este momento para agradecer a la señora Chedla y la señora Ramírez por ser líderes excelentes para nuestra escuela. Gracias por todo lo que hacen. Thank you both for everything that you do. Happy National Principals Month.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Ms. Guerrero, on behalf of Mrs. Ramirez and I. Thank you so much, not only to Ms. Guerrero, but to our entire staff, our students in our community. You all have showered us with kind words, with love, and appreciation, and we could not be any more thankful. You are definitely the reasons why we are here, and we tell our staff all the time that they're the ones that make the magic happen. So thank you so much. It is beyond appreciated and definitely not necessary. We love serving you and our community, so thank you so much. Muchísimas gracias a todos ustedes, a Ms. Guerrero y a todos los empleados y la comunidad y los estudiantes aquí de Fields. Ustedes son los que hacen el mágica, right? Eso es que lo que dijimos a nuestros empleados, pero muchísimas gracias por sus palabras, sus deseos, y muchísimas gracias. Estamos muy orgullosos de estar aquí y no hay ningún lugar donde más quiero estar. So muchísimas gracias a todos ustedes. Thank you all again so much for your kind words. There is definitely nowhere else we would rather be. So thank you.
October is National.
Disculpe.
Hi Falcons! On Wednesday, October 21st is Unity Day. Wear orange to support and show that we are standing together against bullying and united for kindness, acceptance, and inclusion. El miércoles, el 21 de octubre, es el Día de la Unidad. Usa el color anaranjado para apoyar y mostrar que estamos juntos contra bullying y unidos por la amistad e inclusión. We hope that everyone will stand with us against bullying. Happy Friday, Falcons.
Thank you, Ms. Guerrero. We look forward to everyone wearing their orange on Wednesday. We do have some information from our library. We will be having a virtual storybook pumpkin contest. So get creative and decorate your pumpkins like your favorite storybook characters. The Flipgrid link has been issued out to your child's teachers, and I believe Ms. Lopez also has that on her Google Classroom. And we will announce the winners during our Friday assembly. So we look forward to seeing your storybook pumpkins. El concurso de calabaza de libros de cuentos virtual. Sea creativo y decore su calabaza como su personaje favorito de libros de cuentos. Envíe su video en Flipgrid y vamos a anunciar los ganadores aquí en los anuncios. Esperamos ver muchos calabazas y yo sé que ustedes tienen mucha creatividad, so lo esperamos ver a todos esos calabazas. We will also have Virtual Story Character Day. Celebrate reading by dressing up like your favorite storybook character on October 30th. Wear your costumes and share your favorite books. Make sure that you tag us and send your pictures on Facebook and Twitter. Día de personaje de libros de cuentos virtual. Celebren la lectura vestíndose como su personaje de libro favorito el día 30 de octubre. Y comparte su libro favorito.
Hi Falcons! October 23rd through the 30th is Red Ribbon Week. We hope that you join us for our virtual Spirit Days. Please see Class Dojo for more information on the Spirit Days and Dress Up Days for virtual Red Ribbon Week. Familias, esperamos que nos puedas juntar con nosotros para celebrar Semana del Listón Rojo, que es el 23 de octubre hasta el 30 de octubre. Puede ver Class Dojo para ver estos flyers que les dice más información sobre los días de Semana del Listón Rojo. Que tengan buen fin de semana. Happy Friday, Falcons.
Thank you, Mrs. Guerrero.
Good afternoon, Fields Falcons. I'm here to announce the Dream Box winners for this week. In pre-K, we have Lali Nava. In kinder, we have Joaquin Smith. In first grade, we have Marilyn Salinas. In second grade, we have J. Rue Gordo. In third grade, we have Daphne Abarte. In fourth grade, we have Juan Torres and Adeline Hernandez. And in fifth grade, we have Maybelline Torres. I would also like to announce that Dreambox Nation is sporting a contest, not only for you, but for your teachers. You will be eligible to win Chromebooks, badges, $100 gift cards to Amazon, things like that. If you complete at least 5 lessons a week, please continue completing all those lessons in order for you to win all these amazing prizes. We'll see you next week.
Thank you so much, Ms. Campos. We look forward to seeing our students work hard on Dreambox. We know that you are already. Boys and girls, keep up the great work and congratulations to our top performers this week. Felicidades a ustedes que están sobresaliendo en su nivel.
Hello, Fields Falcons. Happy Friday. Today is a wonderful day to continue using Smarty Ants. Today I will be announcing our top Smarty Ant students. In pre-K, we have Davi Smith. In kinder, we have Nathaniel Peña. In first grade, we have Mabel Avila. In second grade, we have Valeria Ortiz Urbina. And in fifth grade, we have Jacob Gonzalez. Great job, boys and girls. Remember to continue using Smarty Ants. Remember that this program is a research-based program that will either help you start reading or it will help you become a better reader. I will see you next week, and I challenge my third, fourth, and fifth graders to start using Smarty Ants.
Thank you so much, Ms. Santoyo, and congratulations, boys and girls, for doing a great job on Smarty Ants. Remember, third, fourth, and fifth grade, it is open for you as well, so we want to see you beginning to use Smarty Ants as well. Felicidades a ustedes que sobresalieron en el área de Smarty Ants, que continúen con el trabajo duro. Thank you.
Hey, Fields Falcons, this is Ms. Ramirez for this week's Achieve 3000 Weekly Challenge winners. Congratulations to Zoe Pulido in 4th grade, Fernando Sanchez in 5th grade, and Atlantis James in 5th grade. Felicidades a los alumnos que sobresalieron en Achieve 3000 por esta semana. Son Zoe Pulido en 4º grado, Fernando Sánchez en 5º, y Atlantis James en 5º. Again, boys and girls, I ask that you please rise to the challenge. I know you can do it. Have a great week.
Thank you so much, Ms. Ramirez, and congratulations, boys and girls. Felicidades.
Hello, boys and girls. This is Ms. Lopez, your librarian, and I'm extremely excited to announce who my top readers are for this week. So let me begin my drum roll. And congratulations to Alejandro Navarro in 1st grade, Cami Gaona in 2nd grade, Isabella Landeros in 3rd grade, Jaziel Izaguirre in 4th grade, and Maria Sainz Landeros in 5th grade. Congratulations, boys and girls. I am extremely happy that you are finding books that you love and that you are AR testing on them. If any of you need assistance on how to check out an ebook or how to AR test, feel free to email me or call me so that I can assist you and your parents. Boys and girls, great job and keep on reading. Bye.
Thank you so much, Ms. Lopez, and congratulations, boys and girls, to all of you. And we want to see more readers and more of you getting those AR points. So keep reading, reading, reading. Now for our Falcons of the Week, los estudiantes de la semana. In pre-K, in Ms. Flores' class, we have John Hernandez. With Mrs. Villanueva, we have Julian Pritchard. With Ms. Trevino, we have Jose Luis de Hoyos III. With Mr. Acosta, Ezequiel Sauceda. And with Mrs. Fonseca, Damian Velasquez. Congratulations. In kinder, in Mrs. Cabrera's class, we have Regina Pulido. In Mrs. Garcia's class, Ariana Lopez. In Miss Llanos' class, Abby Castillo. In Mrs. Longoria's class, Jimena Sanchez. And with Mrs. Fonseca, Raul Segovia. In first grade, in Ms. Casas' class, we have Dominic Rodriguez. In Mrs. Flores' class, Kenneth Jenkins. In Ms. Ponce's class, Lauren Bernal. And in Ms. Valdez's class, Asael Perez. In second grade, in Ms. Cantu's class, we have Oliver Trevino. With Mr. Puente, we have Nicole Murillo. In Mrs. Castillo's class, we have Jonathan Palomino. And in Ms. Garcia's class, we have Camila Schiffer. In third grade, with Mrs. Garcia, we have Carlo Cantu. With Mrs. Muniz, we have Dariana Vasquez. And with Mrs. Ibarra, we have Roberto Cardenas. In fourth grade, in Mrs. Bailly's class, we have Victor Ramos. In Mrs. Peña's class, Angel Cerón. With Mrs. Taylor, Jaslyn Valdez. And with Ms. Palacios, Joey Perez. In fifth grade, in Mrs. Aguilar's class, we have Maybelline Torres. Sofia Miranda with Ms. Loera. Sofia Reyes with Mrs. Gaitan. And Jacob Gonzalez with Mr. Puente. For our specials courses, in PE, we have Maximiliano Saldaña in kinder. In library, we have Hacieli Aguirre in fourth grade. And in music, we have Fernando Sanchez in fifth grade. Congratulations, boys and girls, and congratulations to all of our Falcons of the Week. Great job. We look forward to having more names called as the year progresses, and the way that you earn that is through practicing SOAR. So we look forward, boys and girls, to seeing your names on the Falcon of the Week list. Felicidades a todos los que sacaron Falcon of the Week. Es muy importante que muestran SOAR y que están sobresaliendo en sus clases porque queremos ver su nombre aquí en los anuncios de Falcon of the Week. As always, we want to remind everyone to continue to work hard and be kind. Como siempre, queremos recordar a todos ustedes que están trabajando duro y que sean amables. We love all of you. Please, please, please stay safe, stay healthy. We miss you. Thank you so much for your time. Te queremos a todos ustedes. Por favor, cuídense. Gracias. Have a great weekend, everyone.